artists, do you like computers and phones? Today we are going to draw a laptop and an iPhone together.
Yay!
Are you ready?
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, draw a big rectangle. Now, draw another rectangle inside the first one. This is the laptop screen. Next, draw a rectangle at the bottom for the keyboard area. Let's add some extra lines to make it look 3D. Now, draw small rectangles for the keys. Great job! On one side, draw a mouse with a small wire. Now, draw the Apple logo on the laptop screen. Now, let's draw the iPhone. First, draw a tall rectangle.
La da 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 dee.
Inside it, draw 2 more rectangles. On the top rectangle, draw 3 circle-shaped cameras. Add a few tiny circles for the flash and sensors. In the bottom rectangle, draw the Apple logo. Wow, look at that! Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp to make the artwork pop. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Show your color pens. We will use rainbow colors. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color. Silver color.
La da 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 dee.
Great job, little artists! If you enjoyed drawing with us, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub. See you in the next fun drawing video. Bye-bye!
Yay! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.